What does hydrophobic mean? What does hydrophilic mean? Today I'm going to be defining both terms and getting into some examples and what it means to be hydrophobic and hydrophilic. So let's start off with hydrophobic. The definition for it is trying to repel or fail to mix with water. What this means is hydrophobic substances are nonpolar, they resist water, and they don't form any hydrogen bonds. Some examples of hydrophobic substances are wax, fats, oil, and grease. If these substances are placed in a beaker of water, they will most often float on top of or sink to the bottom of the beaker. They won't make any hydrogen bonds and they won't mix with water at all. Next up is hydrophilic. The definition for hydrophilic is having the tendency to mix with, dissolve in, or be wetted by water. Now, what this means is hydrophilic substances are polar. They're capable of hydrogen bonding and they will mix with water. Some examples are this of wood, concrete, and alcohol. If these substances are placed in a beaker of water, they will either absorb, mix, or dissolve in the water because of those hydrogen bonds forming. It'll combine the water with the substance. So those are my definitions of the terms. Thank you for listening.